I forgot my gloves, but it's all right. What's going on, world? It's your man, Pat Seasallauto LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside services. We down here in Frost, Peru, and I got a call to do a tow, about a 17-mile tow for this right here. Beautiful, well, it's not really beautiful, but clean looking Jeep Renegade. Let's see what it look like. It's tilted. A tow for a tire? Oh, they stripped out the lug nuts. Oh, look at there. Look at there, look at there. Yep, well, okay, so that's what's going on. We're gonna go ahead and get it. Tow truck's over there. We'll load it back up and see what's up. She said it does run. Oh, she left the keys here. Great. Okay, cool. She left the keys. I don't want to block traffic, so let's hurry up and make this. We'll make this happen. We'll make this happen quick. Guess just stay tuned. I'll load this up and then probably just back it on up over there since it's already bad. Anyway, it'd be really nice when I get a wheel lift, man. Really nice, but I'm gonna load this up. Minutes in, we're gonna get on out of here for that rain catches me again. I appreciate y'all watching. I gotta give me another mount, and we'll set this up from the top so then y'all can see the whole process. But if your man can move like this in a flatbed, it's gonna be dangerous when I finally get me my snatch truck. I'm trying to hurry up As you probably can tell, the rain's about to come over there. Didn't think it was gonna be this long, but we got it, man. We got it. So like, share, subscribe. If y'all want to be a roadside warrior, hashtag FastOPro, go ahead and I'm gonna leave a link in the bio below. I got a PDF showing y'all the game, man. It's free 99. Go ahead and join the movement, maybe join the cause, and become a roadside entrepreneur like myself. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, mi gente, be pro mundo beneficio. Siempre. Peace.